Mother Nature is unpredictable. Storms are expensive. There is $19 billion in losses from hurricanes, hail, etc. And 70 to 90% of that money is roof damage. Yeah, that's a lot. Roofing estimates can swing plus or minus 25% based on building code requirements. Building codes are the main driver causing huge swings in estimates. Right now, no one can confidently estimate how much should a roof really cost. Jurisdiction determines and drives the price. Roofers and adjusters tangle with a very manual process, losing time and money tracking down answers. We've cracked the code. Welcome to One Click Code, the only platform that enables roofers, contractors, adjusters, and carriers to identify the jurisdiction having authority. Experience our breakthrough in innovative estimating of the future, automating the manual process of code enforcement. Our solution enables faster, more precise estimates that you can count on and audit. Eliminate the uncertainty in estimating replacement costs. Integrate codes, permit fees, and material taxes. Automate the manual process of local knowledge for jurisdiction having authority. Let's take it for a test drive. Simply log in, create a free account, and begin searching by property address. See the full picture. Identify the building code jurisdiction. See what's enforceable by code, whether to follow manufacturing specs, and even permit requirements. Sales tax can see massive swings by county. Seamlessly identify residential and commercial building code requirements, including all essential line items in roofing estimates. Stay up to date with the latest IECC standards for elevation, climate, and other features, whether the property is residential or commercial. Yeah, it's as easy as that. We tap into Zillow to provide address-specific data and have your back with the latest FAA standards for drone restrictions to stay out of no-fly zones. We have recently added historical storm data to track hail and wind events. Simply view your reports, generate a detailed PDF for your insurance claim documents, add claim number, add shingle specs, whatever you need to create the most defensible estimate. How do we do it? We provide local expertise with national scale. The only way to do that is directly with municipalities. Even a property that is one street away can have a completely different pricing profile based on jurisdiction. Same city, different codes. The higher the claim volume, the more valuable one-click code reports are. We have 99.7% coverage in the US. Data integrity is our top priority. We contact each location and do the heavy lifting, again, so you don't have to. Get to an agreed price faster with full visibility for all parties. Find the pricing model that fits your business. We offer a robust pilot program and an open API for ease of integration. We're building a growing ecosystem of shingle manufacturers, carriers, partnerships, early adopters, and other integration partners. See the value for yourself and start downloading free reports now. No friction, no red tape, just brilliant data.